It is a mess out here. Hold on. I need some motivation. All right, let's clean this bitch up. I don't want to do this, but now I feel like I can. Of course, it's dead. Okay, I have to tell myself cleaning is cumulative. I might not be able to get it all done right this second, but I can do a little bit. The most glaring thing is the mushroom, so I decided that I need to just address this now. Now, I think these planters are just too lightweight. They keep falling over, so I'm gonna have to switch my planters out. And my dandelion broke. So we're gonna have to, oh, look how pretty the sky is. We're gonna have to mend the dandelion and just work with the bigger planter. Okay, the dandelion has been repaired, but aesthetically, we gotta get her to a good place. Hey, kitty. And then mushroom has a temporary spot, but we've got to, the whole base is just completely destroyed and wet. I mean, it might be salvageable, but we'll see. Oh, and the planters, I got the planters switched over. We can put the dandelion right here for now. Okay, we still have work to do, obviously, but it's 1,000% better. And now we can bake this baby. Now I'm all vitamin fortified, so if you haven't been outside today, get outside. Get some D, touch some grass, maybe burn some. It's 4:20. Go live your life.